Wuigananu guku bururi-ini muthenya wa umuthi nimatariirie uhoro na makiria na njira nene iguru rigie Wuigananu uria makoretwo kiumana naguo kumanagia na miario iria makoretwo makigia kuona ati ni makoretwo makiuga ati hari na maundu mamwe ma maria megukorwo makirongoreria miario no yacungiriirio kumanagia na tharika cia mahinda kwa mahinda ro hamwe na wagi wa kana waguku wa ugitiri na uria wacungiriirio ni mirurungano iria yakoretwo igitabanio ni mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja magitetia thirikari ya President William Ruto ukiri uguo ni matariirie hari mamwe ma maundu maria matanyitwo gukorwo magika ari hamwe na gutigirira ati ni kumbwo ugiti kana ni kumbwo iturwa itiganite ari hamwe na wongerereku kana wihokeku wa Ciama guthondekwo kwa wabici ya Mung'ethaniro ro hamwe na ya Minista Munene gwata kugathikwo gwa Kigina gia Senate kia CDF hamwe na Wuigananu wa Arume Na.atumia wandiki witu tishege wa Johi ni uma gikaro-ini kia Bomas muthenya wa umuthi na tuharirie riboti ino.
Just to assure the nation that we are making tremendous positive progress in our dialogue.
Kamitii ya Miario ya Wuigananu muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa gikaro ni iranĩire umithio wa Miario iyo kuona ati Nginyagia riu imwe cia agenda iria cirariririo ta kugathika wabici ya mutongoria wa Mung'ethaniro hamwe na Minista Munene kugathika Kigina kia Senate na kia CDF katiba-ini Wuigananu wa Arume Na.atumia Thirikariini hamwe na Wihokeku wa Ciama ni iguanĩirwo hatari ngũrani kuma miena eri.
And we have received a report from the National Dialogue technical team on particular issues that we have asked them to look into together as two teams, and they have given us their report which we have considered, and we have basically tasked them to look at those issues where there is no divergence of opinion between the two teams, and they have given us their report, and we have agreed by and large on the issue of the 2/3 gender rule, on the establishment of funds and the establishment of the offices of the Prime Cabinet Secretary and that of the official leader of opposition. We have also agreed on issues touching on political parties' fidelity.
Tremendous progress, especially today, on the 4 areas he has highlighted. And we seem to have arrived at consensus in those 4 areas with no much difficulty at all.
Kamitii iyo riu ni iranĩire gũtiriha miario na kurehe Wuigananu kwa ihinda riria rigathikitwo ria thikũ 60 na wona kũngĩkinyagia ati ihinda riu ritigũkinyanĩra ni makamenya uria makona kihonia.
There may be a possibility that we'll be able to conclude that process within the 60 days that was given to us by Parliament. But should that not be the case, we should be able to evaluate that from tomorrow, and next we can be able to inform you on the way forward.
Muingi wa bururi riu ni uritio gia na wetereri kuona ati thutha wa miario ni gukagia na kihonia kia maundu mothe.
We are expectant that at the end of the day, we are going to be able to reach consensus on all the issues. On all the issues, really. So we just want to appeal to the public to be patient, that ultimately this committee is going to deliver within the timelines.
But just to assure the nation that we are making tremendous positive progress in our dialogue, and we foresee us being able to conclude this process in due course.
Riu Kamitii iyo muthenya wa rucio no igathie na mbere na miario iyo niguo gutwarithia na mbere miario ya agenda iria citigarite.
And we shall be reconvening tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. to look into the other issues. As you may all understand, we are not at liberty to disclose the specifics now because it is work in progress.
Hadini ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Cege wa Johi.